Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to talk about the lost art of reading. Yes, my dear friends, reading has become a lost art, and it's high time we help our children to find their way back to reading books. The social media and its various attractions has managed to put reading on a back foot, and hardly anyone ever reads anymore. And the truth hit me between my eyes was when some of the children from the recent age group of like 7th class to ninth class, they did not know the normal poems which we grew up with. That was so shocking. I said, you all don't have any. They would play these games like, Pinky Pinky, what's your name? Whose color, what goes, and something like that never really made any sense. And I said, what about the poems which you knew back in school? Jack and Jill and Baba Black Sheep and so many others. Now, many people will say that, these poems were not really relevant. But that is how the children are able to enunciate words, means pronounce the words, say the words. भाषा का सही उच्चारण उस समय मिलती है फ्रॉम द पोएम्स. तो पोएम सिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी रहती है. Now, if you don't have those poems come in various levels: class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. And I was studying in a missionary convent school. We had a very prolific library, and discussing it the other day with my daughter, she told me, Mummy, the schools which we studied in never had all these books which you're talking about: Enid Blyton's Hardy Boys, Nancy Drew. These are the ones I grew up with. Enid Blyton, the Famous Five series, and then for the younger children, Noddy Goes to School, The Adventures of Noddy. Then the adventures of so many adventures are there for the younger children. These I grew up with. And I used to just go to the library, look around. Nobody had to tell us. We just would go and, go to the library and find out which was a section for children. The librarian would point it out to us, and then we would go and sort books. We used to have one card in which we could have 3 books maximum. So what I used to do was, I used to go and take the books and take somebody else's cards also. The other children who never used to use their cards as such, I would take their cards also. So then I would have, like, in a week, 1 week we had to read the books and return them. So within a week I would read like 3 and 3 6 and 3 9 books. And that really brought my language up so much, I can't tell you. Today I'm able to talk without any hesitation at any given time, extempore and whatever, because of this, this जमा पूंजी जो मैंने इतना सालों से इकट्ठा किया. I have accumulated over the years a vast repertoire of these words and the knowledge that comes from that. And much of it came from the fact that we used to say our poems. We had to recite poems in school. So we were able to get the right pronunciation of words, which is actually not available to children today. And the caliber of teachers is good, but what happens is the syllabus is so vast and so convoluted these days. The requirements have changed. It is about more mass things being given to children and the children being churned out of the institutions without any proper emphasis on the quality of student, on what they have actually gained. It's just like, to pass the exam they are studying. And passing the exam is not everything. You might have a very good degree and with very high marks, but there's no applicability because the background knowledge wasn't accumulated the way it should have been, in steps, slowly. So today I'm here to tell you that in the coming time, I will be making slots for children between, certain age groups where they can read a common. I'll give you the age group and I'll give you the books which they can read. So you can refer to it like a manual, and then maybe these books are not available in normal stores, so you'll have to order them from maybe Delhi or something, because I don't know if Amazon will also stock these right now. These were all English ones which we had back then. So just see if you can find the books and start your children on reading in the proper manner.